Namaste बच्चों, आज ABN Aishu Shukla Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So we continue with our topic, that is why we choose entrepreneurship. So continue with next points, that is 31 to 45. Now we discuss about some more points. Okay, so 31 is the ability to pivot. If your business model shows down, you have the freedom to pivot. Think of how many business died because of the internet. The ones with good leader simply pivot and made adjustment to survive. Yes, if you want to pivot your business, then you can. Now 32 is you get to work with brilliant minds. Yes, if you are a good entrepreneur or you are a good boss, then as an entrepreneur you will connect with extremely intelligent people from all over the world. You encounter brilliant minds on your team and through business relationship. Next one is create a legacy. Yes, creating a successful brand to the point where it leaves a personal agency behind is applying and serve as motivation for many entrepreneurs. So you may be a legend for anyone to create your business to avert the society. Next is turn your passion and beliefs into a business. Yes, you can turn your passion as your business. Like, are you passionate about health and fitness? So become nutrition consultant or open a gym. You have the ability to create a business as well as impact people through your passion and beliefs. If you are a good coder, then you can create your own software company. If you are a good consultant, then you can create your own consultant company. So you just turn your passion into your business and you can become a very successful entrepreneur. Now 35 is you can make people happy. Yes, when you work your own way, like you, if you like any work and then you work for your passion, for your hobbies, so you already create happiness to all around us because you are happy. So there is a good chance you own an Apple product like an iPhone, MacBook, iMac, iPod, or iPad. These products bring a smile to faces millions every single day. So sure, Apple is making billions of dollars, but they are also making their customer happy. So if you are interested in your work and you are happy with your works, then you can very easily create happiness between customers also. Now 36 is you will never hit a ceiling. Like some jobs have a growth cap and you can only advance so far. So when you are an entrepreneur, there is no growth of selling or anything. Now 37th is earn a living doing what you love. So why are you earning? You are earning because you love your work. You love to do your work. So if you love your work and if you like to do your work, then you can earn very easily. Let's face it, money is important, right? Okay, but if you never love your work or if you're not interested in your work, then the money, earning money is a waste of time. Then how you create happiness and how you happy? So when you are able to make a comfortable living doing what you love, it's a win situation. Now feeling appreciated is greater. Yes, it's a great feeling when you receive an email or phone call from someone that took time out of his or her day to let you know that your business impact them and positive way. So that is very appreciative. If you want, if you take positive appreciation, then you are become more like more successive and more suitable for your business, right? Like so 39 is build your own security. Yes, it doesn't get any more secure than controlling your own destiny. So you will never stress about having the wrong person in charges of a business. Now 41 is you get a consistently learn. As an entrepreneur, you always learn lessons or you always learn from your mistakes, and sometimes the hard way, sometimes the easy way. So it is a priceless education that you can't get in a classroom. So you learn with your experience, learn with your knowledge, learn with your mistakes. That is important. So that is the basic entrepreneur do, that they learn their business, and that is a priceless education. Now 41th is eliminate downsizing or layoff fears. Business may cuts and lay off employees daily. That can be extremely stressful. When you become an entrepreneur, this fear doesn't exist because you are not an employee or not a working person who's working for a company, working for boss, or working for anyone. Now, 41 is bad days could always be worse. A bad day as an entrepreneur is better than a bad day working for someone else. So if you have your own bad day, then it's okay, no issue, because you are your own boss. There is no one pointing you. There is no one stretching you that you do this or you did this. Like now 43 is no degree or pieces of paper stand in your way. So you don't have to have any degree or anything to learn or to language school and to start a business. But if you have any degree, then it's better to you, because if you are educated and if you are a good educator, then you can make your business in a planning mode. But if you are not having any degree, so that is it's okay. In fact, some of the most successful tech billionaires dropped out from college, but that is not the thing. You must study about everything, because every business need educated person. If you are educated person, then you lead the business and you become successful. Okay, now you get to push the envelope. There are no boundaries. Create, invent, and disturb as you wish. This is how brilliant ideas are born. Now satisfy your personal curiosity. Most entrepreneurs are curious. Will my idea work? Can I grow this into a suitable business, or can I be a good leader? So that is the satisfaction depend on you. If you are a satisfied businessman, then it's good for you. So for the next topic we discuss in our next video. After 46 to after 45 we discuss 46 to 60 in our next video. So thank you so much.